Hello, welcome to my quick art talks. I am Michael Carini, and this is Little Pete with the Tiny Feet. Today, Pete and I want to talk to you about rejection. And rejection is really part of the journey of being an artist. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a professional artist, and I still deal with rejection all the time. Just this past week, even, I got a rejection from a museum show. And even though I've gotten rejections over and over again, and I've calloused my mind, I've conditioned myself to getting used to those no's, and I understand that every no just pushes me closer to the door that is open, the next opportunity for me, it still hurts sometimes because as an artist, we put our heart, our soul into work that we make. It's all in there. We put it all out there for you. And so sometimes when you get that rejection, it can be difficult. And I have to remind myself that it is part of the journey. And rejections are not an indication that your work is not enough, that what you doing, what you did, what you submitted, it's not an indication that that's not enough. Sometimes people are just looking for something different. So even within those no's, there may be another opportunity, or it may be pushing you towards the thing that is meant for you. So you can hold on to that no, you can let it make you bitter, you can let it hurt you, you can let it destroy you, or you can find a way to use it. You can find a way to make it work for you. So whenever I get my no's, I just see it as an opportunity to learn and to move on to the next thing, to go where I am celebrated. So move forward, find the next opportunity for you, but get used to those no's. Get used to that stumbling, that falling, and picking yourself back up. Because if you can pick yourself back up, let me tell you, I find that that is the secret to success on this journey, just a willingness to keep going and to never quit. But don't be discouraged if you get a no. It's all part of the process. And the sooner you can get through those no's, the sooner you can get to your yes. Tell people about me, and I'll see you next time.